Well, hey y'all, how's everybody doing? I hope everybody's doing well. Alright guys, so today is going to be a really good video. So I do have some more BoxyCharm survey spoilers, or possible spoilers. I'm excited about this one, guys. Now these were sent to me and they do want to remain anonymous. So I do want to tell them thank you. You know exactly who you are. I really appreciate it. And guys, we also have the first look at some Boxy pop-up spoilers for August. So if you're excited about this video, go ahead and hit your thumbs up button. Also hit your subscribe button and make sure your bell's on. That way you're notified and you don't miss out on those spoilers. And before we get started, if you're new here, hi, I'm Mandy. I do a lot of makeup related videos. Now sometimes I'll go off track and do something else I'm interested in, but I promise not to disappoint you all the time. Now let's read that first comment from my last video, which was showing some weird BoxyCharm possible future spoilers. And these were survey spoilers also, guys. Well, thank you so much, Lisa415. Lisa says, hi Mandy, happy Sunday, thanks for the spoilers. Wow, Lisa girl, how are you doing? And happy Monday, because, you know, I didn't film anything else yesterday. But, honey, thank you so much. You're always so sweet and always in the comments. I really appreciate you having your bell on and always coming and watching my video. I love you, girl. And if you yourself would like to get a shout out, be sure to leave a comment under this video. You're going to have 1 out of 2 chances of getting it. You could either set your bell and try to be first at it, or you could be one of the comments I pick. You never know, I might pick you. Now stay tuned till the end when I read the comment that I did pick. Alright guys, before we dive into this madness, I'm going to put up a 5-second timer. If you're not subscribed to this channel, go ahead and do so during that time. You're going to see a little red heart. It's going to turn a shade of blue for about a half a second, so don't blink. But it's also going to give you good luck for the rest of 2020, and who don't need that right now? So let's go ahead and do that. Welcome to the family, guys. Now let's dive into this madness. So first, guys, I think I'm going to show you the confirmed spoilers, ones that we know for sure is here. Now this is again for the August BoxyCharm pop-up, so I'm excited about this, guys. I'm excited to see what everybody's going to get. So of course these are not all the spoilers, but these are just a taste of what they're going to have. So if you don't know, and mark this down in your calendar if you haven't already, early access for this starts August 11th, and then all access will be open on August the 12th. Alright guys, so let's go ahead and get started. Now this is exciting. All this stuff, I've got 5 items and they're all from Fenty Beauty, so I am so excited about this. Now here is the picture that they showed on BoxyCharm showing all these spoilers, and I'll get y'all better pictures. Get a closer look at this stuff. So the first thing that I see in the picture is the Fenty Beauty Pro Filter Mini Instant Retouch Primer. Next we see the Fenty Beauty Pro Filter Amplifying Eye Primer. And then we also see the Fenty Beauty Match Sticks Matte Skin Stick. Next up we see the Fenty Beauty Avalanche All Over Metallic Powder Set. And then last but certainly not least is the Fenty Beauty Body Lava Body Luminizer. Y'all, that stuff looks so good. Oh my god, I wish I could. I haven't tried Fenty Beauty, so if anybody out there has, let me know how her products are, because I've seen so many amazing reviews about them. I haven't really seen any bad ones. Now guys, let's get to these survey spoilers. I'm excited about this one. So the first thing that was sent to me was the Ren Clean Skin Care. This is the Perfect Canvas Clean Jelly Oil Cleanser. This is valued at $32. Now this next item, guys, this is the Grande Cosmetics, the Lash MD Enhancing Serum, valued at $65. So next up is the KVD Vegan Beauty. This is the Go Big or Go Home Mascara in the shade Trooper Black. This is valued at $24. And next up is another KVD item. This is the KVD Vegan Beauty High Impact Invisible Shake Eyeshadow Primer. Oh my gosh, that looks amazing. That looks amazing. I can't wait to see it. Now that is valued at $22. Now next up is the Vanity Makeup Sculpting Glow Palette. And I believe there are different shades of this, guys. I'm not exactly sure. Don't quote me. But I think there is different shades of this. This is valued at $39. And then the last thing, but certainly not least, is the American Pro Hair Care. This is the FHI Platform 1 1/4 Mini Turbo Ceramic Curling Iron, valued at $34. So guys, I'm so excited about this stuff. And let me know what you think about these items, guys. Let me know what you think about the survey spoilers. Also, let me know about Fenty Beauty products. Have you ever tried any of them? Or are you going to PopUp to get any of them? I want to know. Y'all know I'm nosy. Let us know down in the comment section. And of course, as soon as they reveal anything else, I'll keep you guys updated. You know I'm going to keep you in the loop. And as always, BoxyCharm's link below if you want to go check them out. Now guys, let's read that comment that I picked in my last video. Well, thank you so much, Tamby Newton. Tamby says, thanks as always. I would love a shout out for my channel. Well, Tamby, honey, here you go. Now, folks, I'm going to link her down below. So go check her channel out. Tell her I sent you. You're going to love her channel, guys. And Tamby, I really appreciate you coming and supporting my channel and always watching my videos, honey. I love you, girl. And remember, guys, you got to leave that comment if you want to shout out. And guys, double check. Please make sure you're still subscribed to my channel. You know how YouTube likes to take my subscribers and tell me I don't have any? Yeah, they do it all the time. But if you would check on that for me, and if you're not, why the hell not? I mean, it's 100% free, and it's a gift from me to you, and it's rude not to accept a gift, so you gotta take it. So go on down there and hit that button. Then I'm gonna need y'all to rate the video, but you're only gonna have one option. You can only hit the thumbs up button, because my thumbs down button quit working a long time ago, and YouTube won't fix it. There's one more tiny thing before you guys head out. Damn YouTube. If you would, make sure your notification bell set on, that way you don't miss out on none of my uploads. You'll catch all these spoilers, guys. And guys, again, y'all are amazing. Y'all are the best subscribers on this whole platform. I swear I would brag about y'all to anybody. Thank you, guys. Thank you for those of you that donated to my PayPal. Guys, y'all are so amazing. I mean, I just cannot thank y'all enough. I can't send y'all enough love. I love you guys so much. I mean, y'all have no idea how hard it's been on me and me being in and out of the hospital. Man, I'm telling you, y'all are amazing. I would fight somebody for y'all. And to those of you that are always watching my videos and subscribe to my channel, I couldn't be more grateful for you guys. And I really appreciate it. Again, guys, I love y'all so much. And I will be doing an update video soon. Again, as soon as I figure out what the hell's wrong with me, guys. I love y'all so much. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye, guys.